Wah, wah, wah. No! Oh, okay. Put him in the bed. Okay. Well, now we know what you planted in here. I'm videoing this. I don't think we need two people to do this. That bag was dry. Well, not dry, but drier than the raised bed. Farmer Mike, what's your takeaway on raised beds and grow bag potatoes?
Right now, I expected more from the grow bag than what we got.
But that is from how many seeds?
Two.
I mean, 2 seed potatoes?
Yeah.
2 seed potatoes. And we're done.